200-year-old trees. One is a cotton tree and one is a white Chivon tree. Last Monday it was in the night around 12 o'clock. 8 days before that there was a jamul tree cut there. So in the last 15 days you can say 3 trees have been cut. Along this stretch of just 200 meters, 3 trees in last 15 days, which means that some person or somebody having allergy and somebody mental eccentric person, I will say, and eccentric who cannot see nature, he is gone on a rampage to cut 1 tree every 5 days. And this person is calling this a development. I am proud today to say that I am from Asagaon, because Asagaon, each and every person, Desmond is here, we have taken a resolution last May that we don't want wide roads, and I appreciate and I thank our Asagaon Panchayat, our Sarpanch, who has stood with the people and saying we want to maintain the valley green, we don't want any wide roads. Our Asagaon village has always been a valley of greenery, and it has always been Fulancho Gaon, and we want to maintain it. We don't want wide roads. A person who does not have any sense of Asagaon, who does not know the history of Asagaon, should not become a leader of Asagaon. Yes. And he should not go on a rampage of destroying trees. Now when there is a court stay, why are you suddenly come here and destroying the trees, and that to so many old trees, and you are widening the road for whom? We don't want any wide roads here. In Sholim, Panchayat is saying we want to widen and make it 25 meter. I don't know whether Sholim people want 25 meter road or no. It is all for the builders.
We have objected.
Nobody. Now 2 years back, see, this is the third protest. Year before last we had in Sholim, last year we had in Kumarwada people are here, Anna is here. See, he was widening the road like this only by illegally cutting the trees. And this is the third protest. So every year now we should protest against the cutting of the trees. We have no other work, and you will go on a rampage in cutting the trees. I am saying just justify. These trees are so much at the side here. Just give a justification. In what way was it blocking your road? This was giving such a green canopy, and this was witness to the fact that Asagaon was once green. Asagaon was once so much full of good biodiversity and so much of greenery, and you all want to completely destroy the whole of history of Asagaon just because you all have got wealth and heritage of Asagaon, because you all have got wealth and money power, and you all are blinded by that, and because you all think that just by occupying some corporations or something you all can do anything in Goa. Remember that there is a creator on top who is watching you all. People who have been wealthy in the past and who have been powerful have today become beggars. Right. And this is a curse on your family. This is a curse on your family. Okay, your family will get destroyed, and you all will also get destroyed. Power will go out from your hands one day. Curses will be carried forward in the generation. It is written in our Bible. Curses carried down on the generation, and all the people of destroyers of this noble curse. Trees are crying today, and we are also crying because trees can't express themselves. We are also feeling hurt that this clandestine operation was carried out in the night time, and this is a cowardly act. And the same coward who cut these trees in front of the court could not have courage to tell that I have cut it. I am saying, if you are man enough, no, in front of the court you go and say I cut the trees. Why you are a coward? Then put bangles and roam everywhere if you are a coward. Another thing I want to say is that these road widenings that are there creates all obstruction for the traffic. This road widening is not going to help us. And y'all are saying that if you are cutting the trees, we are planting the trees. I am saying the last year and this year, ever since you all have started with Sholim, you all have cut about 50 trees. Let's assume 50 trees. I am challenging you all, whoever is there, cut these trees, and whoever are involved in these trees, have you all planted the 50 trees in Asagaon now in these 3 trees? Have you already planted in Anjuna and Sholim? Have you already planted these 50 trees? If that is the case, also one more challenge to you all. First you all cut your hands, no? And see the pain that is coming on you all. Then you all cut the trees.
Absolutely.
Just because nature does not retaliate this way, it does not mean that you all attack nature and go on attacking nature. So we don't want any wide roads. We don't want any more cutting of trees. If anybody tries to cut any more trees in violation of the code, you all have no respect for God, because you all take pledges and you all break away from the pledges. And nobody, you all think that it is forgiven. Even no respect for the court also. Honorable judges are there sitting, learned they are, and they are out to at least maintain some law and order. Even no respect for the learned and honorable judges.
I request